Hi, my name is Gage, and I'm 9 years old, and this is my very first unboxing video, and I'm going to be posting a different video each week, once a week, and this is the name of it, Spongebob Smellypants, and I'm going to be reviewing movies, toys, and I think that's it. So here we go. Well, here's the characters. SpongeBob, Larry the Lobster, Patrick, Mr. Krabs, Gary, King Jellyfish, Sea Bear, Mermaid Man, Bubble Bass, and Sam. So here they are. No, I can't get it. Okay, so I had some technical difficulties. These are scratch and sniff, so I guess you need to scratch the top. And it says scratch and sniff, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so let's see what characters are in there. Oh, I got the sea bear. So here he is. I'm gonna put him in the front there so you can see him. And I've got the other one. Nickelodeon, you need to get these things together. Good. So here. This one kind of smells like chocolate. I don't know. So let's see what characters are in there. Huh?
Come in.
Come in! Oh, I got Patrick. Here he is. So, I'm going to put him next to the sea bear. And here's the next one. Oh, scratch myself. Ah! I think that one was, I don't know, maybe moldy cheese or something. I don't know. So let's see the character. Oh, it's still in my nose. Oh, I got the King Jellyfish. It looks like that he glows in the dark. And the next one is hold on. This doesn't smell like anything, this one. Oh. Here we go. Hold on. Hold on. Here we go. Ah! They all fell. Oh, I got Gary. Wait, what the? He has shoes. got Larry the Lobster. Doesn't look good. Oh, he stands. Ah, I've got Sniff. Oh well, I'll sniff on this one. Oh, this one smells like anchovies. Oh. Ah, oh, that one didn't have it. I got Sam, I guess. I got Mr. Krabs. Oh, I can still smell it. Yeah, he doesn't stand. Well, hold on. That's all of them. So tell me if you like this video, subscribe, and I'll show you our characters. Well, I didn't get Spongebob, but that's okay. I'm going to do another video next week. So subscribe, and thank you, Nickelodeon. Goodbye.